This is the video for the final project.
Well, in the practice number 1, it was an introduction to the workshop, and we learned how to make a hole to the proper size of a screw. And we learned how to properly measure that using the tables in the laboratory.
In practice 2, we learned how to do a photo frame shape, and we used a U-shape angle to make a box that we joined together with a lot of 90 degrees angles and rivets.
Okay, for practice 3, we begin with a metal sheet that we cut and bent, so we could assemble it with rivets. At the end, we put our names with the team here.
Practice number 4, we learned how to hot forge metal. And we need to heat the metal till red hot and then heat them with an anvil and get a form shape that we wanted.
In practice 5, we learned how to properly prepare a weld using the arc welding process to make more complicated pieces. And by practice 6, we already knew how to use it to create something more complex. And we combined it with MIG-MAG welding in practice 7 to make a key holder with a slot for a small object. And then, well, we use the arc welding process to form the main shape of the piece, and then the MAG welding for the smaller details for a greater precision.
In practice 8, we learned how to use the lathe machine and how to apply the shortcutting parameters that were indicated to use this figure that starts as a perfect cylinder.
Practice number 10, we learned how to forge an aluminum piece using a casting furnace for melting, and how to correctly prepare a sand mold that the piece does not have any kind of porosity.
Practice number 9, we use the milling machine. We learned how to safely operate this machine, and first we cut like this raw material, we make these holes, and then with this machine we made the wood lap letters.